Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Brynel and welcome to Brynel's Diaries. So, as you have seen by the title of this video, I will be doing what's in my bag. I take it only for special occasions. So yeah, take a glimpse of it.
But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause what can we feel?
If I do like this, my hair comes short, but if I take my whole hair, it comes longer than the shorter one. So yeah. Okay, so before I show you guys what's inside this bag, I want to let you know that I don't take this bag everywhere with me, but this is just for occasional and for parties, birthdays and any kind of like special occasions. So I take this bag. But if you're asking me like what casual bag do I take when I'm going here only, so I do take this bag or sometimes something else, but then this bag I prefer more because I love it. But there is nothing interesting to show in this bag, so I thought why don't I show this bag. So let's move on to the video. Hey guys, so it's the second day and the reason I'm shooting the second day because the lighting wasn't proper yesterday near the window side, so I had to like switch my place over here. Without talking more and without having any excuses, let's begin. Let's open the zip.
'Cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the
So I have this liners and three of them. They be in my bag just for emergency purposes. Yeah, so this is the black liner. This is from Just Candy black liner. This is the blue liner and even this is the blue liner. I don't know their names because I removed the label first only because it's very old, but it's still working so good. This one is water resistant, so yeah, this three I keep in my bag for emergency purposes. And yeah, so this is the first item. Now moving on to the second one. So for the second one, I have this lipstick. Again, three of them. This is not a lipstick. This is a gloss from Color Bar. My mom gifted me this on my birthday, so I still didn't use it, but it's in my bag only. It smells amazing. Some candy, kind of strawberry flavoring. So I love this one. This one I use whenever I shoot my group videos. So I use this lipstick. I don't know the name because again there is no name over here. It's written over here classic maroon. Okay, yeah, there is a name. It's from CoverGirl. Okay, so it's from CoverGirl. I couldn't see that much. And this is very light shade lipstick. Very light shade light shade lipstick. So this my godmother gave me. They have specified, but you cannot see it because it's blurred out over here. Okay, so that was my second item, lipstick. Now coming on to the next one. Also guys, I forgot to show you kajal. I also keep this in my bag and it's from iDrama, and it's black color kajal. Then the next item is my specs. I don't even wear it. I mean, I wear it very often. I know I need to wear specs. Okay, so then next is this comb. I keep in emergency. I actually use this comb, and then this is just for emergency in my bag in case if I forget to take, then we have a rescue. Then I have this sanitizer. I'm very fond of sanitizers because I used to love taking sanitizers at school, but they should not allow to take at school, but it's okay. Now it has sanitizers necessary, so you should have it as well. So next item I have is this cream, Nivea cream, and I do apply it now since cold season will come soon, but it's done. Now we have to move on to the second set. Okay, so this. Okay, so a pouch where I keep all my hair ties because I forget to take, and they're all multicolors. I don't know where is black ones, so maybe I didn't carry them. And I want to tie my hair and I don't find any hair ties, so emergency I keep this. Okay, so then this is a random candy which is in my bag. I don't know what is this, but I haven't tasted it. Will soon taste it. But yeah, this I never keep it, but I don't know how long it's been over here. I might not eat it or might eat it or whatever. This notepad and this pen is like not only in this bag, any random bag also. Whenever I'm going anywhere out and if I have to take anywhere, I take notepad and a pen. Just for emergency purposes, I take this, you know. So there's no reason. Item we have is this, and it's basically for the phone keeper. And you may be wondering, whenever she goes to party or something like that, does she carry notepad and all this stuff, like, you know, this, seriously this? Okay, but this is necessary. Like this I don't only take in my party bags, I take this everywhere, like everywhere. But it is in my bag. This I randomly kept in my bag, and not any genuine reason for why did I keep this, or was it necessary, or is it something important to you to take to the parties, occasions and stuff. No, but it's not any reason, but I take it. This earphones. I mean, it's not like I will listen any song and then parties and all will go on, but this is just random. So if you guys are like wondering, what, like she takes earphones, she takes notepad, she takes this, she takes that, she takes that. I mean, like, this is just like, I don't know, like, you know, I just keep in my bag for emergency. Don't judge me. Okay, so next is this purse gifted by someone, won't mention the name, but if you're watching this video, I know you will watch this video, so yeah, thank you so much for this. But I love this purse a lot, you know, and the best part about this, you know, it's like opens up. I love this thing. So yeah, this purse I keep it like, you know, in my bag for handy. So yeah, I mean, all money is there, like, obviously, so it's obviously handy. So the next item is this perfume, also gifted by someone, won't mention their name, but I know that person will watch this video as well. So thank you so much for this. And yeah, I take this also in my bag because it's like cute and mini, so this much. But wait a minute, don't go. There is still small pocket over here. Okay, so this is my hair ties, mini hair ties actually, where if I want to tie any braids or something like that, small, so then I use this hair bands. The gifts are all this, can't mention their names, but yeah, it's in my bag lying over there, so put it over here. I love that also. I love this gift. Thank you so much. I know this person will watch as well. I'm repeating myself a lot, so thank you so much to each person. Then I have this capler. Then this chotu sa hair tie. Then this keychain. Oh my god. So wait, I'll show you one by one. So this keychain, random keychain, is in my bag. This safety pens. The safety pens. I remember when we had gone to farewell, 12th standard farewell in my college, and we had to wear sari, and I remember still, like, you know, all the girls are like searching for safety pins. Oh my god, I don't have safety pins. I happened to not bring on that day. How dumb, how stupid, but whatever. Now I keep it every time in my bag, and this rubber band is there. Okay, so we are done with everything. Is anything remaining? Yeah, we're finished, we're done with this bag. And yeah, it was actually fun showing you guys this bag, and I haven't cleaned it, so I got chance to clean it now and remove all the unnecessary stuff. That's all. Yeah, anyways, don't forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Until then, bye.